What's up guys, my name is Bailey and in this video I'll be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to list and sell on GOAT. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so step one is to open up your GOAT app and to list the shoe. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the screen, my phone screen right here, so you guys can see what's going on my screen. So once you open up the app, you're going to want to go to the search button and search your SKU number. The shoe that I have is a golf shoe that I got from Marshalls. It's 899-633-002. It's that shoe right there. It's a Lunar Control Vapor 2. Click on it and then you're going to want to select the size that you have. I have an 8.5 and it's in good condition. It's also brand new, so you select that right here. If it's missing a lid or it's damaged, you would select that condition right here, but mine's brand new and it's in great condition. There's no issues with it, so I'm going to go ahead and click next. This is where you select the price. The price that I'm going to select is $60. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit lower so that I have the lowest price. I'm going to select $55. On the very bottom right here, you can see that those are the latest sales for an 8.5 for that specific shoe. So I'm going to go ahead and click 55 because it's sold just today actually for 55. I'm going to go ahead and click next right here to show you guys the next scene. On my phone right now, it's showing that it's not going to keep recording. So I'm going to skip to a recording on the phone right here so that you guys can see it from this camera view. So here's the recording from this camera view. Once you hit next after that price page, it's going to bring you to a page that's asking you to take photos of the shoe. So the first one is to take a photo of the sneaker tag. So this is the box of shoes that I have that I am going to ship out. The shoe tag is on the inside. It tells you the art number of the shoe, so that's the style number as well as the shoe size. So you're going to want to put your camera up into the shoe and try to take a photo of it. It's quite hard sometimes because it's on the side, but just take a photo of that and then you're going to want to click the next photo icon right here. And this is asking you for photos of the shoes, the outside of the shoes. So you just lay the shoes like it shows on the screen right here. Make sure they're the outside of the shoes and line them up. I usually put them on the box just like this. Then you're going to want to take a photo and line them up with the outline on the phone. Take that photo, hit next. This last photo is going to ask you to take a photo of the box as well as the box label. So you're going to want to line it up with the outline on the phone, take a photo of it, and then once you're done with that, you just hit done. After you finish this step right here, this will successfully list your listing on GOAT. So let's go ahead and jump into the next step. Alright guys, so for the second step, you're going to want to confirm the order when someone wants to purchase the shoe. So I'm going to pull up my phone screen right here again to show you guys what's going on. So right here, I'm in the GOAT app. You're going to want to click that sell button on the very bottom. It has a number 1 by it because one shoe actually sold. It's the shoe that I listed. So go ahead and click that sell button. And then right there it says need to confirm. That's the shoe that sold. Click on that and then click the shoe. As you can tell, this is the 8.5 that I listed earlier. And you're going to want to click the confirm button. When you click this confirm button, it's going to go ahead and send you a UPS label to your email that you can print off and attach to the box once you ship it out. So it's going to pull up asking to confirm that's an 8.5 and the right SKU number. Go ahead and click yes, and it's going to load and it's going to generate that prepaid label. And it's going to go ahead and email you that label. So go ahead and print off that label and we'll get into the final step where we box up the shoe and ship it out. Alright, so now let's go ahead and box up these shoes. So let's go ahead and find the shoes that you sold. These are the shoes that I sold. These are the Nike Lunar Control Vapor 2s. These are the golf shoes that I bought at Marshalls that I have sold. I'm going to go ahead and check the shoe, show you guys the shoes. So these are the shoes that I sold. They're brand new. I bought them for 30 bucks at Marshalls. So grab that and then go ahead and find a box. So I'm going to use this small box. It's a 14 by 14 by 12. This box I got at Walmart. It cost me about 80 cents. So grab your box of your preference to ship out. And then once you get all that, you got to tape together the box. I'm going to go ahead and tape together this box right here for you guys to show you guys how I do it. So if you want to follow a step-by-step process on how I sell and ship shoes, this is how I do it. I also have a tape gun to make it much easier for me to tape up boxes. This tape gun costing me about $7 at Walmart, and it even included an extra roll of tape. If you guys are interested, the tape that I use is the Walmart tape, and once I run out of that, I also have Office Depot tape, or if you guys don't have an Office Depot, I think it's called Office Max. They're the same company now, but that's the tape that I use now. So once you get that all settled up, you want to put the shoe box into the box. I'm having some issues here putting it in, but I figure out a way that I can put it in sideways or diagonally like this right here, and it fits just perfectly. If this box is too small for you, Walmart does sell medium boxes, and they just cost a few cents more. I believe it's like a dime more. So if you need a bigger box, you can go ahead and get that. I normally buy my boxes in bulk, but I grabbed this small box, so it all worked out. So I don't need to get that medium box. So once you've finished taping together that box, you're going to want to make sure that you have the label already printed off. I'm going to show you that label right here. It's a UPS label that Goat emailed me. So this is it. It got cut off from my printer, but that shouldn't be an issue because it does still show the barcode. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it up for you guys so that I can tape it onto the box. You can either fold it or rip off the excess paper and then put it on the box, tape that label onto the box. If you guys have sleeves for the label, you can also use that so you don't have to use up all your tape. But I don't have any sleeves on me, so I'm going to go ahead and just tape that label to the box. So once you tape it together, that's all you need to do, and that box is ready to go and ready to get shipped out to Goat. That's all I have for you guys in this video. If you guys have any questions on how to sell on Goat or reselling in general, go ahead and drop it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you guys want to follow my journey on all my entrepreneurial activities on how to earn passive income, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow my journey. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.